Hello and welcome to Quick Maths Revision, where today we're going to be doing a quick LaTeX tutorial in creating the number sets, which is creating the hollow letters that represent the real numbers, the natural numbers, the complex numbers, and so on. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be maximizing the use of one of the inbuilt packages in LaTeX, which is the usepackage. And then you use amssymb. And what that'll allow us to do is that'll allow us to create the symbols we're wanting to represent the real numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a command. So we're going to need the $signs. Then we'll do \math bb. Then you open your curly brackets and then whichever letter it is you're wanting. So if I wanted to create the hollow R to represent the real numbers, I could do that. So now if we look over on this side here, there you have it. So you've got the real numbers there. And this this format here works for all of the number sets you're looking to create. So if I just copy this, if I just put commas and then paste it in, and then I'll change that so I've got the reals. So we want the naturals, then we'll do it again, paste it in, the complex numbers, paste it in again, the integers, paste it in again, the rational numbers. So if I did that and just print that, as you can see, we've got all the set notations here. So with that, you can now draw the hollow letters to represent each of the number sets, and hope you have a nice and easy time creating them in LaTeX.